Confidence isn't something that develops once you're up and running on stage, once you're a few paragraphs or lines into your presentation. Confidence is something that you bring to the room, and that's what will give you stage presence. You need to make sure that your posture is confident. Don't cross anything. Don't slump. Don't put your weight onto one hip and then shift it across another one. It will all undermine your stage presence. Bring it to your voice. Speak clearly, slowly. Pausing will really help to add to your stage presence because it sends that message to your audience that you've got all the time in the world. I've got no need to rush. You're going to hang on my every word. It's also about eye contact. A really neat trick, rather than robotically scanning the room, trying to make sure you make eye contact with everybody, is deliver one sentence or one idea to one person. Then move your eye contact onto the next person and deliver another idea or sentence to them. So you're going to look over here, talk to that person up there, tell them the idea you're currently thinking of. Then bring your eye contact down here, talk to this person, deliver this sentence to them, and maybe then somebody down here at the front and deliver the eye contact to them. You also want to let your eyes just gradually move around the room, but it's not a robotic scanning. But stage presence comes from eye contact. It's also just about your demeanour. If you look relaxed, if your body language looks relaxed, you're going to have stage presence. Come back next time and I'm going to tell you how to maintain your stage presence as you move around the stage. Like and subscribe to make sure you don't miss out.